Hello and welcome in this tutorial. Here we'll learn how to set up animations for your humanoid character. First we need to set animation type to humanoid on our character's model FBX file. And for all his animation files we do the same, but now we use avatar definition from our model file. For better clarity and organization, let's put unused animations in separate folder. Now let's open animation tools. They help us save a lot of time when working with lots of animations. Animation clips downloaded from mixamo don't have proper names. To rename, we're going to use simple tool called Renamer. Select all animations you're going to use and click Rename Clips button. As you can see now, clip animation names match their file name. For all looping animation, we need to select loop time in their animation import settings. The only animations you don't want to select loop time are single animations like attacks, dying, etc. Based upon, should be set original, and root transform position, Y, bake into pose to true for all animations. Set root transform rotation, bake into pose to true for all non-rotating animations. For all not moving animations, set root transform position XZ, bake into pose to true. If some looping animation isn't looping smoothly, select Loop Pose to True. Since this is one of the more time-consuming tasks when preparing characters, you can expect a tool that will automate this process in future update. Okay, with all animations import settings done properly, let's create our character using Character Creation Wizard. Now we put all combat animations into separate folder. This will allow to assign all our animations automatically with just few clicks, instead of assigning all animations manually. We can do this thanks to Auto Animation Assigner tool that detects relevant animations based on their names and keywords. Just select folder with your animations and press Find Animations. You'll see result of search in Animation Tools window. If you're satisfied with assigned animations, select your character and press button with a group of animations you want to assign. Now we repeat this process for combat and single animations we earlier put in separate folder. As you can see, all animations are assigned perfectly in relevant fields, saving us a lot of time. In this case, we don't have unarmed animations for left and right movement. Luckily that's not an issue, as we can just use their combat counterparts. Since our animation pack didn't have dying animation, we'll assign it manually now. Now we'll add attack event to our melee animation so that it will deal damage at the right time. And set this tick box to true to let system know that we use animation events to deal damage. Second one will make our character look more convincing while fighting by looking at his enemy. We assigned footstep sounds, but to actually play them we need to add animation events just like we did for attack animation. And that concludes this tutorial. Make sure to post on forums or Discord server what you think about HonorAi and what improvements and new features you would like to see implemented in future. Thanks for watching.